Hello, Shara. This is our second day. Pupunta kami kay TV. Punta kami sa bahay ng ating Love TV, mga kaasang. Let's go! Papunta doon. Ayan. Tingnan niyo yung kasama natin. Bitbit siya. Titira na siya dito kay Love. Tao po! Oy! Look at that! Welcome, Robbie, Gary, Mom Shifi, and Sky.
Welcome to my humble house.
Hello! Hi! Nasaan sila? Ay! Nagpula ako kasi nakita kita na nakapula eh. May husband. She's also a vlogger. Huh?
Oh, sorry about that.
Birthday na? Yes. Tingnan mo yung ano? Kandila?
Oh, ba't nanginom ka ba? Nagsiselfon ka ba? Happy birthday. Hina naman.
Joke kami! Busog na kami! Okay! Birthday! Patayin siya muna first time. Patayin mo na kasi yan.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got